Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Today I have another what I eat in a day video for you. These recipes require very simple ingredients, very easy to make, and I'm using cheap ingredients, so it's also a budget-friendly vegan recipe video, so let's get into it. So for breakfast I had some gluten-free blueberry muffins, and I had this with a smoothie. I'm starting off by adding 1 cup of gluten-free flour, 1 cup of oat flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm adding 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of agave, and here I added 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, which you should add in the dry ingredients, but I added it now. And then I added 1.5 cups of frozen blueberries. And I baked this at 350 for 26 minutes. I love to have these as a healthy grab-and-go breakfast. For lunch, I had some roasted vegetables and some beans, so here I am chopping up some Yukon Gold potatoes, and I just added some sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder to them. Then I added some water and I put the lid on it and I let it cook down until they were tender, about 15 minutes. And here I am just sauteing some peppers and onions, added some salt and pepper and a little bit of oil, and I steamed some Brussels sprouts. I'm just slicing them up, and then I'm adding some sea salt to them, some black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of oil, and I baked it at 400 until they were nice and crispy. I ate these with my favorite beans, which I will post up above because I made this recipe recently, so I'll just post a video link above if you want to check that out. For dinner I had a tortilla pizza. This is such an easy and delicious way of making thin crust pizza, so give it a try. So here I am just sauteing some mushrooms and a little bit of water, and I added some sea salt and black pepper. And after that I just added a little bit of oil to the pan and I let my tortilla cook until it was crispy. And now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce. I'm using Trader Joe's brand, and some vegan mozzarella. I'm using Daya brand, and I'm adding the mushrooms on top and some red onions and also some spinach. And now I'm going to pop it in the oven and put it on broil for about 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese melts, and that is it. This pizza is so good, you guys, you gotta give it a try. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can follow me at 9 Months of Fitness on Twitter and on Instagram. And I will see you next time. Bye.